Hello, word listeners. Alex here, your friendly word guide, and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we are diving deep into a useful B2 level adjective, comprehensive. What does it mean? How do we use it? Let's find out. Comprehensive means covering everything or including all elements or aspects of something. Think of it as a complete picture, leaving nothing out. In everyday language, you might hear it describing a report, a plan, or even an insurance policy. For example, we need a comprehensive review of the project before we proceed. Now, let's explore some synonyms. A close synonym is thorough. You could say, the doctor performed a thorough examination. Another useful synonym is complete. For instance, the library has a complete set of Shakespeare's works. We can also use the word exhaustive. Imagine someone saying, the police conducted an exhaustive search of the area. And finally, inclusive is another good synonym. The new curriculum is designed to be inclusive of all students. Notice how each synonym carries a slightly different nuance, but they all share the core meaning of encompassing everything. Now, let's look at the other side of the coin, antonyms. What words mean the opposite of comprehensive? The word limited is a great antonym. Instead of covering everything, it covers only a small part. We had a limited amount of time to complete the task. Another antonym is incomplete. Think of an incomplete set of instructions, missing crucial steps. The instructions were incomplete and difficult to follow. We also have partial, suggesting only a fraction is covered. The report provided a partial view of the situation. Then there's selective, implying a deliberate choice to include some things and exclude others. The museum offers a selective tour, focusing on key exhibits. Finally, superficial is an antonym suggesting a lack of depth. The analysis was quite superficial and didn't delve into the details. So, we've explored comprehensive and its opposites. But how can you use this word in your everyday life? Well, imagine you're planning a trip. You might say, I want to create a comprehensive itinerary that includes all the must-see attractions. Or perhaps you're studying for an exam. I'm doing a comprehensive review of all the material. Maybe you're comparing insurance policies. This policy offers comprehensive coverage, including medical and dental. You could also say, the company conducted a comprehensive investigation into the incident. Here are a few more usage examples. The book provides a comprehensive overview of the history of art. We need a comprehensive solution to this problem, not just a temporary fix. She has a comprehensive knowledge of the subject matter. The website offers a comprehensive guide to local restaurants. The software includes comprehensive features for data analysis. Remember, comprehensive implies a thoroughness and completeness. Think of it as the gold standard when you want to convey that something covers all aspects of a topic. So, to summarize, comprehensive means covering everything, encompassing all aspects. We explored synonyms like thorough, complete, exhaustive, and inclusive, and antonyms such as limited, incomplete, partial, selective, and superficial. We also discussed how to use comprehensive in everyday conversations, from planning a trip to studying for an exam. Now, for our call to action. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new English vocabulary. And now, your challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word comprehensive and share it as a comment under this video. I am excited to see what you come up with. Thanks for tuning in to Hello Word. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode at 3 p.m.